Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice at home. First, ensure you use day-old, cold rice. This is crucial for a non-sticky result. Next, prepare all your ingredients by chopping vegetables like carrots and peas, and your protein, such as chicken or shrimp, into small, bite-sized pieces. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a wok or large skillet over high heat until it shimmers. Add your protein first, cooking it until it's almost done. Then, toss in harder vegetables like diced carrots and stir-fry for a minute or two. Finally, add softer vegetables, such as peas, and cook them just until they are tender crisp, maintaining their vibrant color. Next, push your cooked ingredients to one side of the pan. In the empty space, quickly scramble 2 eggs until they are just set. Now, add your cold, day-old rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Pour about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil directly over the rice. This is where the magic happens, infusing the rice with delicious flavor. Finally, stir-fry everything together vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and the flavors meld. Continue cooking until the rice is thoroughly heated through and develops a slightly toasted texture. Garnish your delicious homemade fried rice with fresh chopped green onions for a burst of freshness. Serve it immediately and enjoy your perfect meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.